Have you ever wished there was a way to easily add a little extra something to your services in Vagaro? Whether it's for product usage, an extended session, or perhaps a holiday surcharge. If you're a salon owner, a spa manager, or an independent beauty professional using Vagaro, you know how crucial it is to manage your services and pricing effectively. But what happens when you need to account for those non-standard charges, the ones that aren't part of your regular service menu? That's where adding a fee in Vagaro comes in, and trust me, it's a game changer for streamlining your operations and ensuring you're accurately compensated for every bit of value you provide. Today, we're diving deep into the surprisingly simple yet incredibly powerful process of adding fees within the Vagaro system. We're not just talking about creating a new service. We're talking about dynamic fees that can be applied at the point of sale, offering you unparalleled flexibility. Think about it. You've got a client who needs a special hair treatment that uses a premium product. Instead of manually adjusting the service price, or worse, forgetting to charge for it, you can add a product fee. Or maybe a client consistently runs over their scheduled appointment time. You can implement an extended session fee. And what about those bustling holiday periods when demand skyrockets? A holiday surcharge fee can help manage expectations and compensate for increased workload. This isn't just about nickel-and-diming your clients. It's about transparency, fairness, and ensuring your business thrives by accurately reflecting the true cost and value of your services. Before we jump into the how-to, let's quickly touch upon why this functionality is so vital. In the fast-paced world of beauty and wellness, every minute counts, and every service needs to be profitable. Unaccounted for extras can quickly eat into your margins. By having a structured way to add fees, you gain better control over your revenue, improve your bookkeeping accuracy, and can even use these fees as a tool for clear communication with your clients about additional costs. It helps prevent awkward conversations at the checkout and fosters a more professional transaction. All right, enough with the preamble. Let's get down to brass tacks. How do you actually add a fee in Vagaro? It's simpler than you might think, and we'll break it down step by step. The first thing you need to understand is that in Vagaro, fees are generally handled as add-ons or additional charges within the service booking or checkout process. There isn't a standalone fees section in the main navigation like services or products. Instead, you're essentially creating a service item that functions as a fee. Step 1. Navigate to your services list. Log in to your Vagaro account. From your dashboard, you'll want to find the navigation menu, usually on the left-hand side or top. Look for Settings or Business Settings, and then within that, you should find Service/Class Menu or simply Services. Click on that. This is where all your salon's offerings live. Step 2. Create a new service, your fee item. Once you're in your services list, you'll see an option to add new service or a similar button. Click on it. This is where the magic begins. Now, here's the crucial part of turning a service into a fee. Service name. Give your fee a clear and descriptive name. For example, product usage fee, extended session surcharge, late cancellation fee, holiday surcharge, or consultation fee. Be specific so you and your staff instantly understand what it's for. Description. Briefly explain what this fee covers. For instance, for product usage fee, you might write, covers the cost of premium products used during this service. This helps with internal clarity and can even be visible to clients if you choose. Duration. For most fees, especially those added at checkout, you'll set the duration to 0 minutes. This ensures it doesn't impact your scheduling calendar. If it's a consultation fee that does take up time, then you would assign a realistic duration. Price. This is where you determine the cost of your fee. You can set a fixed price, e.g., $10 for a product fee, or even leave it at $0 if it's a placeholder that you'll manually adjust at checkout, though setting a default price is usually more efficient. You can also make it a variable price if the fee amount changes frequently. Category. You might want to create a new service category specifically for fees or surcharges to keep your service menu organized. This helps in reporting and prevents these fee services from cluttering your main service categories. Online booking. This is critical. For most fees, you do not want them to be available for online booking by clients. Deselect the Allow Online Booking option. These are typically internal charges added by your staff. However, if you have a pre-consultation fee that clients must book, then you would enable online booking for that specific fee. Assign to employees. Ensure you assign this fee service to all relevant employees who might need to apply it during checkout. Step 3. Save your new fee service. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click Save or Add Service. Congratulations! You've just created a fee in Vagaro. Step 4. Applying the fee at checkout. Now, let's see how you actually use this fee when checking out a client. When a client is ready to pay, open their appointment or start a new sale. Add the primary services they received. Then, just as you would add another service, search for the fee you created, e.g., product usage fee. Select it and add it to the ticket. The price you set for the fee will automatically be added to the total. If you set the fee as variable or need to adjust the amount for a specific situation, you can usually edit the price directly on the checkout screen before processing the payment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.